Welcome to the shed. Well, just a quick look around what we're doing. This is Nigel. He's had a bit of work, he's had a bit of cleaning up. We've played with the electrics a little bit, got them how we want them. The carburettor is dangling. I can't get one of them pipes, so we've had to use magic tape on that. It's not my ideal thing. Behind there are the reeds, so I've had the whole side off the engine because it wasn't ticking over correctly. The reeds are good, hooray, but it's still not happy. So what we traced it back to is it came with a petrol tap repair kit for this bit of the petrol tap. So that is on, which is effectively off because it's vacuum. That is reserve, and if I put it up there, petrol pees out because it's prime. But it's not that there's a problem, it is the diaphragm has punctured. So what that means is it drips petrol slowly, but if you suck through this, the vacuum pipe, it doesn't work. So when the engine's running, it doesn't feed it any more than a drip at a time of petrol, which means it'll only run with the choke on because it's clearing what's in the bottom of the carb. So I've had to order a new one of these. Rather than faffing trying to get the diaphragm, I've ordered the whole gubbins from America because it's half the price of England. Other than that, while I was at it, I've ordered new jets for the carburettor because the old ones they are correct size, but they're a little bit manky. I think they've been screwed in and out a couple of times, so we're just having new. We'll have it right. And then this should be right, other than the fact it's got the wrong spark plug in. And by wrong spark plug, I don't know if you can see there. Come on, B6HS. Well, this should be a BP6HS, and P is projected nose, so the nose of the spark plug sticks out further. And what that means in real terms is at the moment the spark is in the wrong place, and it is weirdly quite critical. So I'll have to get the correct spark plug. And as always, I will probably, there's my NGKs, I will probably get the Nippon Denso version. That's my little plug area. Normally there's more plugs in than that. So we'll get that sorted. Other pain in the arse problems. This is the Fast 50, so the adult 50cc CRF. The petrol tap on this, weirdly enough, has decided it doesn't want to work on reserve at all. So you can take it off, you can faff about with it, but they have gaskets behind them. And taking it apart and putting it back on with an old gasket is never good. So I've got a new tap for the grand total of about 12 quid. The tank is mint inside, so I don't know how the tap's messed up, but that will be getting sorted the minute it gets here. And the other one that I've still got to do a little job on is the CL175. I've just got a couple of small jobs to finish, including playing with the carburetors, and sadly it got a tiny nick on the paint, so I've got to nip down to the paint shop and see if they've still got the paint that they sprayed the tank with. Hopefully they've got a tiny dribble in the bottom of a cup that I can fix that up with. So all good fun in the workshop today.